Hi everyone, my name's Graeme Kennerley and welcome to this week's Trade with Precision free video newsletter. I want to have a look at the foreign exchange. Here on the Swiss against the yen on the daily, this pair is in a nice downtrend. We know that because it has lower lows with accompanying lower highs. We also have confirmation of that by the moving averages, 10, 20 and 50 moving average in the correct order, open and fanning. We also can have confirmation of the momentum to the short side because of the MACD and the RSI are convergent to the short side. So we've got a nice setup here, and in particular, the day before yesterday, we had a retracement back and a small trigger candle formed in the sell zone between the 10 and the 20 moving average, which was a reasonable predictor that today's price action just finished had a big sell-off. And it's this trigger candle that we look for in our trading opportunities. So here's an example of our strategies that are working. Here was a small trigger candle and a big sell-off today. Now, by going up through the time frames, going up to the weekly, we just see that yes, we are in a downtrend. It is confirming and trading well to the short side. I want to go and have a look at another pair, the euro and the yen. Similar situations happening there. Here on the daily, we've got yesterday's trading action, small trigger candle right near the sell zone, and today's trading action, big drive off to the short side. This is what we do at Trade with Precision. Our strategies allow us to find and anticipate moves that may happen on the charts. Well, it's all very well and good saying, okay, that's what happened in the past. What might well happen next? And I want to go to the euro against the pound, because on the euro against the pound, we have a very sort of a similar setup. Very nice uptrend, higher highs with accompanying higher lows. You can see that. Rhythmic wave-like action. Price action pushes up, pulls back into the buy zone, drives on up, pushes up, pulls back into the buy zone, drives on up, pulls back. And what have we got today? Right now, with today's price action, we've had 3 days of selling. We've got a nice pullback into the buy zone in an uptrend. Look at the moving averages, 10, 20, 50, 200 in the correct order, open and fanning. We have convergence to the long side on both the MACD and the RSI. The question now is, what will happen in tomorrow's price action? This is where we make our money. Will there be a small trigger candle formed here, giving us the opportunity of taking a trade to the long side in anticipation of a move that happened in a similar way on the Swiss against the yen and the euro against the yen? There's another piece of price action I'd like to show you. Here is the pound against the Kiwi dollar, the New Zealand dollar. Nice bit of price action, tracking downwards, lower lows with accompanying lower highs. On the weekly, we've got a nice sell-off too, nice downward trend. So here on the pound against the Kiwi, we've had 2 days now of retracement, nice price action, pulling back near the sell zone. We've got the moving averages in the correct order, 10, 20, 50 and 200 in the correct order, open and fanning. Nice conversions to the short side on both the MACD and the RSI, allowing for the possibility that tomorrow's action might well see a small trigger candle in the sell zone, signaling a return to the prevailing trend, which is to the short side. This, ladies and gentlemen, is where we make our money. If you'd like to know more about this, I suggest you visit our website. Visit our website, Trade with Precision, come across to trading webinars, and you'll see that we have got complimentary webinars for you to join now. The next complimentary webinar is called Top Ingredients for Successful Trading. It starts Wednesday the 2nd of March in the Southern Hemisphere time, or 2 a.m. New York, and we have another version of this Thursday the 3rd of March, 8 p.m. London time, 3 p.m. New York, 7 a.m. Sydney next day, and Auckland next day. Upcoming webinars as well. We've got other upcoming webinars. High performance trading for the busy lifestyle. Register for that one. That's coming on the 9th of March and repeated again on the 10th of March. And we've even got archived webinars for you to go and look at. So you can go back and have a look at these archived webinars. Watch them now, learn the simple 6-step trading opportunity, high performance trading for the busy lifestyle, how to trade foreign exchange with precision, the critical trading areas, top ingredients for successful trading. And we will talk about the concepts that I pointed out on the charts today. Have a great week, and I wish you profitable trading.